Good morning, mathematicians. Today, for our problem-solving activity, we're going to be doing a story about seashells. And so I have my buttons here to help me solve my problem. I have some things to write with so I can draw my picture and do my number line. And I'm going to go ahead and use one of my markers here to highlight some of the important information in my story. So our story today says, I had 11 seashells. I gave some to my sister. Now I have 4 seashells left. How many did I give to my sister? All right, so let's go back through and look for our important information. I had 11 seashells. I gave some. So those are key math words that tell me I'm going to be taking things away here or subtracting. Now I have 4 seashells left. How many did I give to my sister? So I have to find that missing number of what I gave to my sister. So the first important piece of information was that I had 11 seashells. So I'm going to count out 11 of my buttons here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm going to take that one away because we don't need that one. All right, do a touch and count. Make sure I really have 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Or I could have counted by 2s to be more efficient, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. All right, so the next sentence says, I gave some to my sister. Don't know how many, that's what I have to figure out. Third sentence, now I have 4 seashells left. So I'm going to move 4 to the side because those are, I know what I'm going to have left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the 4 I have left. So that means these are the ones I gave away to my sister. So let's count and see how many I gave away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I gave 7 seashells to my sister. All right, so let's go ahead and show the strategy of drawing a picture. My first thing is I had 11 seashells. So I'm going to draw my seashells. Remember, friends, try and pick an efficient way to draw your seashells. Don't spend too long on the artwork. So I'm just going to do circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then it says I gave some to my sister. Now here, when I knew that I was giving some to my sister and all I would have left was the 4 seashells, I moved 4 out of the way. But on the picture, I can't really move 4 out of the way. So there are a couple ways you could show this on your picture. You could put a box around 4 of them to show that those were the 4 that you moved away, the 4 that were left at the end. You could circle a group of 4 to show those were what was left at the end. There are lots of ways to show it. But now let's do a touch and count to see how many I gave to my sister, the ones that are still here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I gave her 7 seashells. All right, now it's time for our number line. So let's go ahead and number our number line. Now I'm already noticing this is 11 and I know my number line, if I start at 0, only will take me to 10. So I'm going to draw an extra tick mark here and an extra tick mark here to give me some extra space. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. So our story again says I had 11 seashells. All right. So 11 of them all the way over here. And then it says that I gave some to my sister. And when I was all done, I only had 4 seashells left. So one way you can use your number line is, you know, you started with 11 and you ended with 4. So you can count your jumps that you would have to take jumping backward. Ready? Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It took us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jumps to get back to those 4 shells that we had left. So we know that our answer is 7. All right, so now it's time for our equation. Because we gave some away, that's again those math words that tell us we're subtracting. We know we started with 11 shells. We gave some away, that's what we're trying to figure out. And then when we were done, we had 4 left. So how many did we figure out that we gave away? That's right, 7. So 7 is our missing subtrahend. That's what goes right here. All right, so now let's look at our number bond. We have 11, 7, and 4. Let's think about our parts and what the big whole is all together. Which one of these is our biggest number? 11, so that's gonna go here. And then our parts are 7 and 4. Nice job. All right, so that's our seashell problem. Now it's time for your just right challenges. So turn that paper over and let's think about which challenge is just right for you. Challenge number 1 can be that you had 6 seashells and you gave some to your sister or brother, and now you only have 2. How many seashells did you give away? Second just right option, you're gonna start with 16 seashells. You gave some away, and now you only have 8 left. Or final just right challenge, you're gonna start with 24 seashells. You're gonna give some away, and now you only have 10 left. So remember, friends, I want you to pick the challenge that is just right for you, kind of like Goldilocks. Not too hard, not too easy, just right. Pick one just right challenge and show me at least 2 strategies that you would use to find the answer. You can do all the strategies if you'd like, but do at least 2. All right, have fun, mathematicians.